today I just wanted to talk about the new grill that I got and just put together recently. Tonight I'm actually going to make some hot dogs on it. It's a little bit different than the traditional grill. It's a pellet grill, and it's a little different than what you would expect from a standard charcoal or propane grill. This is actually a pellet grill, and the way that it works is on the side of the grill there's a hopper, and you load that hopper with pellets made by the manufacturer, and those pellets are moved from the hopper very slowly, depending on temperature. If you want a hotter temperature inside the grill, they're going to move a little bit faster. If you're going to smoke, they're going to go nice and slow. They're going to move from the hopper through the auger into a small little canister where they'll burn, and that's where the heat source is, and then you're cooking. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn this thing on. We'll get it warmed up and we'll get cooking. Okay, these things are all done and they look great, and I really like this grill so far. It's really nice. Something as simple as hot dogs, or if you want to get really creative, you can put it on the smoke mode and you can do meats, ribs, whatever you want to do. So I really like the versatility of this. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it, especially once the weather warms up a little bit and I don't have to brave the cold out here. But it's nice to know that if I want to grill, I can grill. If I want to smoke, I can smoke. So thanks for watching. Hopefully the weather warms up soon. We'll get back out on the lawn. But until next time, we'll see you in the next video.